Welcome, everyone, to this exciting journey. In this video, we'll explore how the amazing AI, or artificial intelligence, can assist us in our daily lives and what potential lies ahead for AI. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI and embark on this thrilling exploration. The birth of AI. In the 1950s, the idea of computers possessing human-like intelligence sparked the inception of AI. This was the beginning of AI's journey to become a reality. The Dartmouth workshop and early creations of AI. In 1956, AI took its first significant step towards independence at the Dartmouth workshop. Esteemed researchers gathered at Dartmouth College to collaborate on AI research. This event officially marked the birth of AI pioneers, and their admirable triumphs. AI visionaries like Alan Turing and John McCarthy led AI research, creating machines that could learn and reason, paving the way for AI's progress. AI's days of growth. AI faced occasional setbacks known as the AI winter, where interest in AI diminished due to challenging technical issues. But every time, AI emerged stronger from these winters. The bright AI of today. In modern times, AI shines brightly. Party popper, we witness AI's remarkable advances, with the best chatbots, virtual assistants, and self-driving cars becoming a reality. It makes our lives more convenient and enhances our understanding of the world. A glimpse into AI's future. As we look into the future, AI's potential knows no bounds. Milky Way, we explore how AI can shape education, healthcare, economy, and transportation, becoming an integral part of our lives, fanning the flame of collaboration. Collaboration with AI boosts our capabilities. Handshake, together with AI, we accomplish tasks that were once deemed impossible alone. This collaboration empowers us to achieve greater heights. Kindling the excitement for AI. The excitement of this AI journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Rocket dizzy, we're thrilled to be on this adventurous ride with you, igniting a spark of curiosity within. We want to share the joy of exploring the boundless possibilities of AI. We hope you've enjoyed this AI exploration video. Don't forget to subscribe.